Say goodbye to a dirty, greasy microwave with this easy and efficient cleaning hack. To start, mix a solution of equal parts water and vinegar in a microwave-safe bowl. Pop it in the microwave and set the timer for 5 minutes on high power. The steam produced from the boiling solution will soften and lift any grime or food residue. Carefully remove the bowl and, using a sponge or rag, wipe down the interior of the microwave for spotless and gleaming results. With this quick and simple method, your microwave will be shining like new in no time.